Hello, my name is Emmanuel and this is your channel SOSA NASA 1 in English. Now I'm going to show you how to test this electric switch. This is a switch to put on or put off items, electric items, where this is connected to one line. Now I'm going to show you how to know if this switch is good or not, using only this digital multimeter. This is very easy. If we watch here, the connection is the negative in CON and the positive here. And the mode, in this case, we need to choose continuity mode. I mean this mode. Move the selector and choose here continuity mode with sound. I mean, when we have continuity, the digital multimeter make this. It means we have continuity. If the digital multimeter shows us this on the screen, means we don't have continuity. Using this information, now we are going to test this switch. It's very easy. The off position is this, on position is this, on, and off position in the center. Off position, we touch here, we touch, let me see, and touch here, and touch here. Okay, on position, now the same, touch here. We have continuity, and touch here. We don't have continuity. It's okay, because we only need to have continuity in the center. On the side, we don't need continuity. Subscribe in our channel SOSA NASA 1 in English. And now let's do again the test. If I put in the center and touch here and touch here, we don't have continuity. If I put this and touch here, we have continuity in this case. It means this switch is working correctly. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel SOSA NASA 1 in English. Share this video. Give me a like. Subscribe to our channel SOSA NASA 1 in English and activate the notification bell to receive the notification every Saturday of new videos.